Isikhalo sokuba kuhlengwe imisebenzi yabantu abaqinisekisa ukusebenza komsakazeli womphakathi insuku zonke. Lezisebenzi zinomsebenzi wokuhlinzeka ngolwazi, ukufundisa kanye nokuthokozisa izakhamuzi zakuleli. Kepha manje zibhekene nengozi yokudilizwa emsebenzini. Manje zithi angeke ivume ukuhamba kalula.
We are here today to say public broadcasting is in our DNA, and then we are not going to allow any structure that is going to take that away from the people of South Africa. We are here today to say that as the SABC, we can be a responsible company that is contributing towards unemployment.
Abahleli, intatheli kanye nezinye izisebenzi zeindaba bebesekwa inyunyana zezisebenzi ngesikhathi benikela emgwaqeni namhlanje ntambama.
We have come here to support these workers. Comrade Aubrey, we will be in your corner. If you call a strike, yeah, we will support that strike to the tilt.
Comrade will need our defense, firstly as a trade union movement. Because we know when you live here, comrades, there will be threats. But let it be a union first to respond before you even respond.
We are saying to you, all of you, even you brothers there, you must not be afraid of standing for what you believe in. The retrenchment in this country is very high. We don't need more retrenchment above what we have.
SABC isiphendulele ngokuthi yenza konke ngokuhambisana nomthetho njengoba iqhubeka nohlelo lokudiliza izisebenzi.
We are applying the letter of the law in this process. And so obviously all parties and stakeholders have rights as well, like the right to have a picket. And so we're executing the right to proceed with the 189 process.
Umsakazeli womphakathi kulindeleke ukuba uvele ngaphambi kwekomiti lasePhalamende elibhekele ezokuxhumana ngoLwesithathu.